Welcome to PC Solutions. In this video I will let you know that how to download Windows. Without wasting time, let's go. Open the Google Chrome. Type Windows 10, download, and then follow me. Here, when you click open, there comes yes and no on your screen. Click yes. Then this tab appears on the screen. Do as I am doing. This will take some time, depends on your internet speed. And now your download is done, and when it is 100% complete, your file will be downloaded. I will show you how to bootable USB drive in next video. If you like the video, please subscribe.